Bring like keyboard gifts.
Okay.
Dear King Dedede, have mercy on me and I bring you Donkey Kong Country Returns. You are free to go. You are free to go. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Next.
I'm Sonic Fasting Live, and I decided to get you one of the best games ever made. Sonic Colors.
I'll tell you, bring such a bad game into my palace. Take him away.
Wait, what are you doing? You can't take me away? No, what are you doing? What the heck is this thing? Oh my gosh!
Let that be a lesson to you, all of you. Let it be a lesson. It's nice drinking out of my,
Garfield cup. Yep. What it is, yeah. Because I'm a penguin. Actually, sir, I think you're eagle. Oh my goodness! Yeah, that's right. Bring in the stuff. Bring it in and leave it for the king. No, get out of my screenshot. Get out of here. Go. Just get out of here. Just go. There, you got more candy and stuff, my king.
Ha, thank you.
But I think you're a bird.
Silence!
Go to the dungeon. Hate the dungeon. It's dark and Sonic will beat me up.
I love Christmas.
Man,
Who the heck are you? Get out of my palace.
Well, I'm the ghost of Christmas past, present, and future.
Really? You're all three?
Yep, but because the make of this movie was too lazy to get others. So, yeah, but I'm not going to do anything because we're just going to get to the point. At the end, you learn to be a good king and give everybody back their stuff back. And okay, and yeah.
Like something bad's gonna happen to me. Screw you, Christmas. Mario.